Alrighty, here are some notes from Mission 3, Lesson 1. On to Mission 3. And our student objective for this lesson is to investigate and use the formulas for area and perimeter of rectangles. So what we're exploring today is using area and perimeter and seeing the difference between those two and applying the formulas in a shape of a rectangle for using area and perimeter. Now, what's important to understand is the difference between area and perimeter. Area is the space inside of a rectangle. Perimeter tells us the distance around the outside. Outside distance. So again, area, it tells us the amount of space it takes up inside. Perimeter is the length of the outside of the whole shape. So if we just look at it in basic terms, so we had, let's say we're given this rectangle and we're asked to find the area and the perimeter for it. Okay, so we're asked to find the area and the perimeter. Okay, now the area is the amount of space inside. So all we need to do here, because it's divided up, we can see the space inside. We just need to count the space inside. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, there are 10. This rectangle is made up of 10 square units. So we don't know what the unit is, but the area would be 10 square units. Okay, so it's the amount of space on the inside. Now, let's contrast that with the perimeter. The perimeter is the outside length. Okay, so now to find perimeter, I need to count the outside. So each one of these, like in this case, the space counts as 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I also have to count the sides now. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's a 13. Whoop. 14. Okay. So, because there's each one of these, each one of the little slides there is worth 1. Okay, so I could look at it like 2. That's 1, that's 1, that's 1, like right, all the way around. And I just count those and add them up. Okay, so it's the shape, it's the space around the outside, that distance. So in this case, the perimeter is 14 units. Okay, so just understand that the difference with that is area is the inside and the perimeter is the distance around the outside. That, like a rectangle where we don't see those, it's not marked off for us, we can't see the insides of it, and so we can't count. We can't just count them. So in that case, for area and perimeter, we need to use a formula, a math formula for that. Okay, so let's have area, and we'll have perimeter. Sorry, it's hard to make straight lines on this. Okay, area, perimeter. Now, let's start with perimeter. Perimeter, I always think of in terms of plus. I know I'm going to have to add for perimeter because perimeter is the length along all of the outside. Okay. Now, the formula that Zern's going to give you is 2 times length plus width. 2 times length plus width. So the length is how high a shape is. The width is how wide it is. All right. So there's a couple different ways we could do this then. So if I'm trying to find the perimeter and my area is 2 times length times width, okay, I can do this. So my length in this case is 9 centimeters. And my width is 4 centimeters. So I'm going to do 9 plus 4. And 9 plus 4 is 13. And then I know it's 2 times 13. So if I feel comfortable with that, I can do that. If we're not comfortable with that multiplication yet, just do 13 plus 13 then. Just double 13. And we get 26, like such. You can do it that way. Another way that you could do it is you just have to make sure to label it correctly. Remember, perimeter, you're just plussing. You're adding up all the length of the outside. Now, if we look at it, well, I know that this width is 4. This side right here is 4. Well, what's that width down there? How long is that side? Well, it's also 4 because it's the same. And same thing, what's the length on this side over here? Well, if this side is 9, that side's going to be 9. So another way I could do this, I could just add up all the sides. I could do 9 plus 9 plus 4 plus 4. And that is going to be the same thing. That is going to be the same thing as if I do this formula here, the 2 times length plus width. Because notice it's 9 plus 9 is 18. 4 plus 4 is 8. 18 plus 8 is 26. Okay. Now, in this case, we need to make sure to label it centimeters as well. So either way, but perimeter, again, is plus. Just add up the length of the outside. Area. Area, we have a formula for that as well. And our formula for area is length times width. So again, the L is short for length. The W is short for width. So in this case, let's change colors here. In this case, our length, it's the same shape. For length is 9. So we have 9 times, what's our width? Our width is 4. Okay. So 4. 9 times 4. 9 times 4 is 36. And I have centimeters. And I have to put this little 2 there. That's a 2. I mean, it's hard to read. That means 36 square centimeters because area is measured in square units. You just need to get in your head, and you need to plan it in your head, the difference between perimeter and area. Perimeter is plus. You add up all the sides, or you use the formula they give you here, length plus width, and then just double that, 2 times that. Or just add up all the sides, whichever works best for you. Area is length times width. And you don't have to double that. You do not have to double that or anything. Just length times width, and that will give you the area. Now, you're going to be dealing with some bigger numbers, and you're obviously going to have to write out your work and everything. But you just need to get that plant in your head. Perimeter is plus. Add up all the sides. Area tells me the inside, length times width. If you can get that in, and you can get this formula of length times width for area, and then just adding up all the sides for perimeter, you're going to be golden for this lesson. Good luck.